Let's send a high-impact executive briefing using DRTE. Click the briefing button to launch the dynamic email engine. Select the template. DRTE now pulls live opportunity data via SOQL. The layout is ready instantly, with no manual data entry required. Now, we add the human touch. Type custom commentary directly above the live data table to provide context for the client. Everything looks good. Hit Send to deliver the HTML briefing. Salesforce logs the full interaction, including our custom notes, for a perfect team audit trail. Personalized, data-driven, and logged. That's DRTE.